My name is Dr. Niall O'Dowd. I'm the CEO of Phase3D, and I'm super excited to be here at IIT announcing our partnership and sharing what Phase3D is doing in the additive manufacturing industry.
In the past, many researchers try to develop a material and then print and then test a little bit to see how the performance is. We as the researchers would like to understand how our part can perform. And for sure, sending samples for computed tomography or CT scan will be very pricey and time consuming. So in case of having Phase3D in place, so we can do in-situ inspection while we are printing and mimic 3D reconstructed image that can represent possible defects within the structure.
Fringe Inspection is different from other monitoring systems because we are measuring each layer. We don't use AI, instead we use metrology-grade scanning equipment. So each decision that we provide our customers is based on traceable data, not AI slop.
Data is very reliable and can show that if there is no defect, Phase3D is capable of showing those defects are not existing. Or in the case that we have some porosity or some abnormal behavior during printing, Phase3D is capable of showing those defects, their location, their geometry, and how they look like when we are, for instance, printing some fatigue samples or some critical parts. So we are able to correlate the outcome, which is like fatigue life, tensile behavior, with respect to the defects that are existing. And Phase3D will help us to locate where those defects are.
Without metrology-grade quality inspection systems, additive manufacturing will stay in the prototyping phase forever.